Well, I'm Kenny Lowry, and today we're going to take a look at the Sierra 2-stack linear fire pit burner option. Now, this is the linear burner as opposed to round burner. I really like the linear burners. I think they really, I like the length of them rather than the fire just in one spot. It kind of spreads it out throughout the rock. So that's one of the difference between this and the round. As far as heat output, they're going to be the same. It's just purely an aesthetics thing. Now, this is a match light, so it means you use your lighter to light the fire on this. So you would use something like this, and then you have a key valve over here where you could control the flame. And I'm going to turn it down a little bit right now. You can see there it is down, there it is up. It's kicking out quite a bit of heat, so I'm going to turn it down here a little bit. It is a very hot, humid day here today. So that is the linear fire pit burner. I like these. You put your feet up on them. I think they're the correct height. If you're sitting in a chair, they're not too tall. This has a surface area here. You could set a coffee mug on it, or maybe a glass of wine or something like that. And there's a spot back here on this bottom rock you can too. Now, this is set up so this rock is the only one that has the fire element in it. The bottom rock is simply a base rock just to give it elevation, and it looks better too to set up on that second rock. How you twist this rock, they can line up perfectly or they can offset. That's going to be totally up to you. I like them offset a little bit. Matter of fact, I would probably rather have this offset a little bit more, especially there in the front. I think it looks better when they're offset a little bit. Right now, I'll grab the camera and we're going to take a close-up look at it, so you can kind of get a sense of it. Remember, these are GFRC boulders, stands for glass fiber reinforced concrete. Has the look, the feel, and the texture of real rock at about the fifth of weight. So I'm going to go over here and take a look at that. We actually just take a real rock and make a mold of it, and then we hand pack all this in there, and we do a proprietary finish on it. So as you can see here, you can kind of see the rough texture on that. I'll kind of put my hand in there. You see all that detail in that's on that rock. And the mother rock has the exact same detail. There's that key valve there. We do have other burner options, so you can check out the website right there for those. This is the most economical option, and it has the less moving parts, we'll call it. So I'll go around here to the back. You can kind of get a sense of it back here as well. And I think you can kind of see that linear there. You can see how that just kind of goes the length of the rock rather than just down in one spot. If you like what we're doing here, make sure you hit the like and subscribe. We're always adding new products. It's just the most fun part of the job, actually, to come up with new designs.